Imagine writing an important email or essay, only to stumble over mistakes. Frustrating, right? What if I told you there's a tool that can effectively eliminate those errors? Today, we dive into Grammarly, an innovative writing assistant that takes your writing to the next level. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a writer, Grammarly can transform your work. First, what is Grammarly? It's an online writing assistant that checks for grammar, punctuation, and style errors. With its user-friendly design, it enhances your writing seamlessly. Let's walk through how Grammarly works step by step. First, upload your document or use the browser extension. Grammarly instantly analyzes your text. It highlights errors and offers suggestions in real time. Next, review the highlighted areas. You'll see easy explanations for each error. Grammarly even provides options to improve your writing style, making every sentence clear and concise. Additionally, Grammarly has a tone detector feature. This tool helps you adjust your language for different audiences. You can convey professionalism in business emails or friendliness in personal messages, all with a click. Now, let's see Grammarly in action with a real example. Imagine you're writing a college essay. Grammarly points out passive voice in your sentences. When you click on the suggestion, it shows you how to revise for clarity. This simple change can elevate your entire essay. Grammarly is also great for professional communication. Picture sending a report to your boss. Grammarly checks for technical jargon and clarifies complex language. This ensures your message is not only correct but impactful too. If you're wondering about pricing, Grammarly offers a free version and a premium subscription. The free version checks basic grammar and spelling. The premium version unlocks advanced features like genre-specific writing style checks and plagiarism detection. In summary, Grammarly is a powerful tool for anyone who writes. It helps identify errors, enhances clarity, and adapts your tone. With its accessible features, you can become a more confident writer. Ready to elevate your writing? Go ahead and try Grammarly today. Visit their website to sign up for free or explore premium options. Start transforming your writing journey now.